Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to recover your wallet from a recovery phrase on TREZOR Safe 5. If you have a recovery phrase from a different wallet or from the same one but it was just reset and want to access the assets that are assigned to that recovery phrase, then it can be easily done. This video will just show you this one step, which is recovery. It won't show you all the steps like from the setup, so if you need to watch a video on it, then you can watch a video on the setup. But that video just creates a new wallet, and here there will be a different step, which is recovering. So make sure you have your recovery phrase handy and that you are in a place that's safe, like in a room without cameras, without anyone, so you can view your recovery phrase and no one will get access to it besides you. Then simply go to recover wallet, start recovery, and now on your wallet you'll need to click on tap to you'll need to tap to continue, then select the amount of words, and I have 24, but of course you just need to know how many words you have. Then you'll need to enter each word one by one. The first word is you can select the set of digits, so I'm gonna select A, I. You can see it's like the T9 keyboard, so if you want to get a certain like the third sign in the button, then you need to tap on it 3 times basically. You can see this is how I enter it. Now the second word, and I'm not gonna show you the full one because I can't show you the full one since it would be unsecure, but I'll just do another one. So if I want to type in foil, I'll need to first click on the second button 3 times. I failed. You need to do it quickly, so like that, because if you wait a moment, then it'll think that you just want to use the same button again to enter a different letter after the first one. So yeah, now 3 times on that, then 3 times on that. And by the way, if you have a suggestion here at the top of the word, like grayed out letters at the end, then you can just tap on it at the top to finish the word for you and then approve it. And I'll just continue with all of those and I'll get back to you shortly. And now once the last word is approved, you'll need to tap to continue. And if it was entered correctly, you'll be able to just continue with the setup. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.